What's up? It's April 6th. I'm in Lewiston, New York. It's probably 45 degrees out at about 9 o'clock. I'm going to be center pinning the Lower Niagara today, mainly like the Artpark drifts as they call them. So for the float that I'm using today, I'm using a 21 gram arrow float. Typically, you know, in the Lower Niagara, you don't want to go any lighter than that, I'd say, because you're going to be fishing in like 15 feet of water, or at least that's how far your bobber is going to be from your bait. So I don't use anything less than 20 grams, say. And then the shot under that, I like to use like a ½ ounce, like inline sinker type deal. It's just easier than running all those smaller shots down your line. So you get the ½ ounce, and then you can put some bigger shot below that. I got this jig I'm going to be using. It's kind of beat up right now. It's got purple, white, and blue. Typically I like to use white, but I don't have a white one right now. Well, hopefully I'll get one for you, and let's see how it goes.
That's true.
Uzi, not again. Uzi, wake your ass up.
And I ain't gonna lie, I got money and a power. I ain't gonna lie, I got money and a power. I ain't gonna lie, I got money and a power.
So I just got here. It's pretty stacked up where I was trying to fish, which is usually the case here. As people leave, I'll move on over, but I'm literally just gonna drift this section right here to where before that guy is, pretty much.
I really wanna let you know that I really don't give a fuck what nobody say about me. Cause you know, I'm the one, yes, I'm the one that really started all this. And you know, I changed a lot of you niggas. In a matter of months, I raised a lot of you niggas. They know I'm the one, so it's no way they could stop it. Try to run off with the swag, I put them in pocket. Told my main girl to stop it. She saw me up in the picture, I thought they cropped it.
So I moved downstream past the two guys fishing next to me. The drift over there is kind of crappy. It just pushed my bait towards the shoreline. I kind of wanted it to go, you know, parallel with me. So yeah, that one guy over there, I saw him catch two decent sized steelies. So I'm gonna fish over here. Nicer drift. We'll see how this goes.
Good, 5 more left. That's it. Watch it, watch it, watch it. There you go, come on. On the toes. Turn it. Turn it.
switched to a bead because I saw the people down the way from me. They were catching like 8 fish at least, so I figured they were using a bead. Switched to like a pink bead, like second drift, just a monster. Probably my best steelhead on the river yet. So yeah, pretty productive day on the Niagara River, fishing the Artpark drift. Got here probably at like 8, and I didn't end up catching a fish till like 2 o'clock, but it's completely worth it. It's the biggest steelhead I ever caught, first on a bead. I used a pink bead. The guys downstream said they were using egg sacks, and they pulled in like 8 fish, so it's pretty impressive. It's the most I've ever seen caught here in one day. Usually it's not this good, but so me specifically, I was fishing below that waterfall. If you've ever been here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Probably casting it out about 20 yards, fishing at about 12 feet of depth. Once in a while in the Niagara, you get a situation where the water is super calm and you can get the perfect drift, and that's exactly what happened in this situation. I cast it out. Current was super slow at the time, so my bait had time to get down and just present itself nicely, and then that's probably 4 seconds into the drift. That's when the fish hit, and it was a nice fight. Steelhead are crazy. You think they give up? No, they got like 3, 4, 5 more runs in them. Niagara River's crazy, man. The current's insane. It changes so much. Thought I was gonna use jigs. I ended up catching my first fish on a bead. Really never know what to expect. What the fish are biting differs daily. It's insane. I'll probably be back soon. The weather's beautiful. It's a great day. Very productive. Shout out GoPro. Sponsor me. Swipe up.
Uzi, not again. Uzi, wake your ass up.
And I ain't gonna lie, I got money and a power. I ain't gonna lie, I got money and a power. I ain't gonna lie, I got money and a power. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, it's a fight. Yeah. And I just wanna let you know, I really